Hi guys, how are you? My name is Pat and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell button so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. For today's topic, I'm going to show you how to properly put on your face mask. So across Victoria, you are now required to wear a face mask whenever you go out in public. And I'm going to show you how to wear it properly and to make sure that there's no spaces or that you're totally protected when you're wearing your face mask. Here's my face mask. Ta-da! So we are gonna start with your typical face mask. This is the most common ones that you can find in your chemist. So normally you get two colored sides. You have white and blue. To find out which one is the side that you should be wearing towards your face and outwards, so the darker color is always the one that's outside. So this information is given to me by my friend Nina, who is working as a nurse at a hospital in Melbourne. So she told me that this is the way you should wear your mask. Most masks would have the metal on top here, and you have the white side and the blue side. So you have to wear the darker color outside. So first you have to do is to shape it on your nose. So I'm going to take off my glasses. You have to shape it on your nose like this. Press it like that so that the metal curves across your face. And then take these and do a loop. So you make sure you tie them at the edges. Okay, like this, and do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay. So once it's there, open it up and put it across, loop it around your ears. Make sure that you have the shape here. I think we'll let it pass first. You have the curve nicely across your face and nose. Just slightly pull it down to cover your face. Just let it hang on your chin. And then on these sides, if you notice, these sides, you have to fold them inwards to create a seal around your face. Okay. Fold it inwards. Now, how do you know if you made a proper seal around your face? This is the test. Breathe in, breathe out, and if this cloth moves, then you have made a proper seal. So that's how you make a proper seal. And this is also helpful for those who are wearing glasses like me, because it won't fog up your glasses. You will know that you've done a proper seal if it doesn't fog up your glasses while you're talking. That is the proper way to put on your mask. When you're eating, totally remove everything. Do not put it down your chin, because COVID particles would go on your chin, on your face, on your neck. And if you put it down, you expose the clean inner layer to the virus, and then you put it back up your mouth. So when you want to eat or take a sip, just totally take them out. And while you're wearing your mask, you shouldn't touch your face, you shouldn't touch your mask. If you want to remove your mask and change it, or when you're home, take it by the ear loops behind your ears. Hold it from there and take it out and throw it in the bin. Then wash your hands. And that's the safest way to compare. We have a normal mask here, and normally we would wear it like this. So this does not create a proper seal on the sides of your face. It does not create a seal because it allows air to come in through these areas here, especially when you're talking. And later on, it's gonna fog up your glasses like it's doing mine now. It's fogging up, is it? So when I'm talking, it's fogging up my lenses. So with a proper mask, remember to tie it on the edges, push it inwards. I feel like a flight attendant. Push it in. And there you have it. Okay, see, no fog. So if you feel like tying this around here shortens the rope and it hurts your ear, you can always use an extra bandana just to tie it on the end and just loop it around your ear. Or you can have those ear savers kind of clip just so you don't hurt your ears, especially if you're using it for more than 8 hours in a day or if you're working at a hospital. That's it for today. I hope you learned something on how to properly put your mask on. I really wish and fervently pray that COVID will be gone and they can find a vaccine for it soon. But until then, please always wash your hands. Try to avoid the crowds if you can and stay safe. God bless you. Bye.